Hello SCIFINERS, welcome back to another episode of SCIFIGEN Tech. So today we are going to do the durability test of Samsung M20. This is the phone I have been waiting for so long and finally we grabbed it. So guys, we are going to do the water test of the Samsung Galaxy M20. First I want to tell you there is no IP rating, but the device should be able to withstand the occasional splash of water. So before proceeding further, here is the quick disclaimer. Seriously guys, you don't try this at home, it could seriously damage your phone. The good news is that even non-waterproof phones these days are generally at least a little more resistant to water than phones from years past. So we can expect same thing from Samsung Galaxy M22. It's pretty intimidating when you drop your brand new mobile like this. Finally, our Samsung M20 is inside the water and we will leave it here for 5 minutes. I don't know if this phone will survive this test or not, maybe it's dead by now. Amazing guys, phone survived. Now we will check if everything is working fine or not. Yeah, touch is smooth, everything seems to be okay so far. Let's drop it again this time and let's see what will happen this time. So guys, let's jump into it. Here we go. Well, touch is not working. Here we have this warning message on top of the screen. It's saying moisture detected, charging port must be wet. Face unlock is not working. Again we got this camera error message. You can see SCIFINERS crazy things are going on here. So after half an hour, both of the front and rear camera of my Samsung Galaxy M20 stopped working. Well, maybe it's just because of that extra moisture which got inside the camera. Rest everything is working fine. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like this.